Welcome to the Seeker's Mat. If you are feeling anxious, you are in the right place. Let's take a moment to step away from the rush and reconnect with calm. Sit comfortably, close your eyes gently, and start noticing your breath. Feel your inhale and exhale. Imagine with every breath you are inhaling calmness and exhaling tension. Now, bring your hand over your heart. Feel the gentle rhythm beneath your palm. Whisper silently to yourself, in this moment, I am safe. I am grounded. I am calm. Visualize a soft, warm light surrounding your body, protective and soothing. This is your safe space. Anxiety cannot touch you here. Stay with this feeling for a few moments. If thoughts wander, gently come back to your breath. As we close, take a deep, slow inhale and exhale it fully. Wiggle your fingers, smile softly, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, calm is always just one breath away.